Hey everyone, today what we're going to be doing is installing the GorillaLine clothesline, world's best clothesline, I guess.
You did it! Congratulations!
So let's get started. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video if it helps you out. This should be a pretty simple project, easy way to get a clothesline outside or inside, where you don't want to have a clothesline always in place. This one is retractable, so it'll go away when you don't want it. First thing we're going to do is mount the catch that goes at the end of the clothesline. I used a knife to open it up. You can use a screwdriver or really anything just to separate the two pieces. You're going to use 4 screws here. Get a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the diameter of the screw. Put that in my drill. And drill my 4 holes. Next we're going to switch out for the screwdriver bit. Grab my 4 screws and get the mounting plate mounted to the post. And the cover plate just snaps on. Just make sure you have the hole in the plate lined up. Make sure the top is at the top and the bottom's at the bottom. Next we're going to mount the main piece. There's 5 holes here. So we're going to start off by drilling a single hole in one corner. I'm going to mount the plate here. I'm really just eyeballing it. Line it up with the side of the pole. I didn't use a level or anything like that. Just kind of made sure it was straight, pleasing to the eye. Switch my bit out again. And put my first screw in place. All right, now that screw is going to hold it in place while I go ahead, switch back to my drill bit, and we're going to go ahead and drill the rest of the holes for the other 4 screws. Back to the table, screwdriver bit again. Obviously, if you have 2 drills, it'd make that a lot easier, a lot quicker. And now we put the screws in. And then you put the cover plate on, and it just snaps into place. Pull your clothesline out, snap it into the other side, and push the lock up. And that'll keep the clothesline from drooping as you hang stuff on it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Very quick, very simple project. And now you have a retractable clothesline that you can put out when you need it and put it away when you don't. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Take a look at some of my other videos where I do some projects around the house. different plumbing installations, auto maintenance, that sort of thing. And I appreciate you stopping by. Hope you have a great rest of your day.